Finding affordable curtains that look stylish and fit your home doesn't have to be a challenge. Today, let's explore how budget-friendly curtains can bring comfort, privacy, and style without breaking the bank. Affordable curtains don't mean you have to sacrifice quality. They offer light control, privacy, and decorative charm, all at a reasonable cost. With so many colors, patterns, and fabrics available, it's easy to find options that match your home's personality. Polyester is one of the most popular choices. It's durable, easy to clean, and long-lasting. Linen brings a light, airy look, perfect for bedrooms and living spaces, though it may need a liner. Cotton blends offer versatility, combining breathability with strength. These fabrics prove that affordable curtains can still deliver comfort and function. Think about the room's purpose. For bedrooms, choose blackout options to protect sleep. In living rooms, light colors can make small spaces feel bigger, while darker tones add warmth. Always measure your windows carefully for proper length and width. The right fit makes all the difference. Installing curtains is simple. Use a rod that matches your decor and mount it about 6 inches above the window frame to create the illusion of taller ceilings. Make sure your curtains cover the window fully for both style and privacy. Caring for budget-friendly curtains is easy. Polyester and cotton can usually be machine washed, while linen may need dry cleaning. Rotate panels to reduce fading and use a steamer or iron to keep them smooth. With the right care, affordable curtains can last for years. When shopping, look for seasonal sales to get the best value and choose neutral tones that work across multiple room styles. Affordable curtains are a smart investment, stylish, practical, and designed to make your home feel complete.